I've directed the Minister of Police to have a meeting because this violence is now mutating and taking different forms that represent themselves in a way that we do not want to see in South Africa, where communities seem to be attacking one another. So we want this to stop, and I want it to stop immediately.
We must give primary health care. Issues of illegal immigration, I'm the MMC of Health. I do not belong to Home Affairs. So if you have a crisis of needing to check how many foreigners are there, you cannot bring it to our doorstep. This is a clinic. We administer everyone and anything that is here with health issues.
And some of us, you got 5 Nigerian kids. We want our kids to go where?
We're not tempering down, we're not backing down, we are continuing with our operations. The allegations and all that, they will be discussed in the courts and all that, but we will continue with our operation.
President Ramaphosa voramba hunhu huri kuitwa neteam Dudula iyo iri kudzinga maforeigners muzvipatara nemuzvikoro. Uye manesi oudza team Dudula kuti harisi duty ravo kudzinga vanhu vanenge vauya kuzorapwa mumaclinics avo. Chavo kupa health services kuvanhu chete. Uye vakadzi vemuSouth Africa voramba kuti maforeigners adzingwe because ndo varidzi vevana vavainawo. Ukuwo nerimwe divi Zandile weDudula wacho ari kuti hatisi kuzodzora tsvimbo panyaya yema-illegal foreigners, tichadhila nawo kusvika zvanaka. Kusangana kwatikuita zvakare pachannel ino, channel yeZimbabweans TV, pandinodzoka nema-updates akasiyana-siyana. Uye ndinoti kana kari kekutanga kusvika pano, ndinokumbira kuti ungobaya button rekusubscribe, then turn on the notification bell kuitira kuti usarasikirwe ne-every update yandinodzoka nayo pano nguva nenguva. Sekuziva kwenyu kuti team Dudula is targeting maforeigners ari muSouth Africa, especially people from Zimbabwe, Malawi and Nigeria vasina madocuments ekunge vachigara muSouth Africa. So pane group of people riri kuenda kuma-public hospitals and clinics vachinorambidza vanhu kuti vange vachipinda kunorapwa vachiti hamuna mvumo yekunge muchirapwa, dzokerai kunyika dzenyu munogadzirisa ikonomi yeko. But President weSouth Africa Ramaphosa varamba muitiro uyu vakati we are one as Africans, vakati racism iyi inofanira kupera munyika.
I've directed the Minister of Police to have a meeting because this violence is now mutating and taking different forms that represent themselves in a way that we do not want to see in South Africa, where communities seem to be attacking one another. So we want this to stop, and I want it to stop immediately. No justification whatsoever for any South African to go out of their way to attack people from other countries. We need to act in a way where we give respect to people from other countries and show them that they are welcome to be in our country. We need to deal with our own problems in a way where we sit down and discuss those issues with the various structures that we have. We cannot accept sense that South Africans do not welcome Africans or other people from other countries. We cannot do that because we are welcomed in other countries. Right now, we are part of the whole continent having inaugurated the Africa Free Trade Area Agreement. So our drivers are now going to be afraid to drive vehicles in other countries. And there's just no justification whatsoever for people who have a sense that their jobs are being taken by people from foreign lands to attack them, to destroy properties, and actually to kill them. This must be stopped.
Uku ndiko kutaura kwaVaramaphosa vachipa yambiro kuteam Dudula. Then neswe pane chimwe chipatara chemuSouth Africa aramba hunhu weDudula achiti iye ibasa reimmigration riri kuitwa nema-individuals iri, uye vezvipatara ibasa ravo kuaccommodata everyone anenge auya kuzorapwa, not kudzinga.
We must give primary health care. Issues of illegal immigration, I'm the MMC of Health. I do not belong to Home Affairs. So if you have a crisis of needing to check how many foreigners are there, you cannot bring it to our doorstep. This is a clinic. We administer everyone and anything that is here with health issues. No, I want to be clear. So if you have issues of illegal immigrations, you must go to Home Affairs. Bring Home Affairs. Home Affairs knows what they need to do, not us as civilians, as public representatives. So no one, I'm saying no one, must ever come to the doorsteps of a clinic and say he's going to picket and it's a mandate of any party. Here our task is to ensure that everyone who arrives here receives the medical attention. If you have issues, you must go and lobby your political structures, parliament and everything, that no foreigners must not enter our public facilities. That's where we will get the mandate. But what you guys are doing is a human rights violation. What you guys are doing now, and I can call police and sort it out. Because I know it's better if you are saying you are going to picket at a police station. There's no one who's coming with a life-threatening disease. Anyone who comes here is a life-threatening disease. Anyone. There's no one who wakes up in the morning just to go to a clinic because it's bored. There are squatter camps. That's where you should be locating them, not in our health facility.
Vamwe vakadzi vemuSouth Africa vari kuti ivo these foreigners hakuna kwavanoenda because vane vana navo, saka vana vavo vanozodii.
And some of us, you got 5 Nigerian kids. We want our kids to go where? Me, I've got 5 Nigerian children. They even have their birth certificate written from Nigeria. If you say they go, meaning I will be childless. This is what I want to ask. They must go where? Our kids must go where? Where exactly? Behave yourself.
Tell them how you feel.
I feel very bad. Because when you're saying foreigners, are they not human? Are they not people? Are they not? Because we all pumping blood is the same. Are they not people? What's wrong with South Africa? What is wrong exactly? No, it's not good. You must stop this.
Zvose izvi mashoko ekupikisa Dudula, asi Zandile uyo anova member of Dudula ari kuti havasi kuzokanda mapfumo pasi panyaya yekudzinga maforeigners munyika, chero zvazvo nyaya yavo iri kumatare edzimhosva. So ladies and gentlemen, ndichakusiyai muchiona video raZandile member yeDudula achitaura. Asi kana mapedza kuona this video, let's meet in the comment section muchitudzawo zvamunofunga pamusoro penyaya iyi.
We're not tempering down, we're not backing down, we are continuing with our operations. The allegations and all that, they will be discussed in the courts and all that, but we will continue with our operations. So, if the MECs are pleading with us to stop blocking kids, it's just as simple as they need to make sure that all the kids that are in the
No, sorry, this is in reference to healthcare facilities, not the schools. Healthcare facilities, MEC for health.
Oh, okay, so now we're switching from education to healthcare. Maravena, you are twisting us.
No, sorry, I'm just here for health, not the schools.
But this is a problem of the school. I'll just give you a straight answer to say that all we want people who are documented, but also public facilities are reserved for South Africans. We're not blocking people from accessing health care. We're just saying that they should go to private and pay for the services. That's as easy as that.
And obviously, you're not Home Affairs officials, so how are you determining, when you are at these things, how are you determining whether someone is South African or not?
They must produce their identity to show that I'm a South You That's as simple as that. You walk into a facility, you produce that I'm a South African, and you will be gladly allowed to be inside. But if you're not, you will definitely probably have a passport, and if you have a passport, then it means you must pay. Because also what we're saying is that if they want to use our public facilities, they must pay for them. And unfortunately, in the local clinics, there is no method of payment. Yes, only in the hospitals, but even in the hospitals, they don't pay. So all we are saying is that our systems are strained. It cannot take any more people. It's only allocated for South Africans, and it needs to be reserved for South Africans.